The Czinger 21C 2026 is not just another hypercar, it's a revolutionary machine that redefines what's possible in automotive engineering. Designed and manufactured in Los Angeles by the Czinger team, the 21C blends cutting-edge technology, stunning aesthetics, and mind-blowing performance into a single, cohesive package. This car isn't just about raw speed, it's about rewriting the rules of how a car is built, how it moves, and how it feels behind the wheel. Let's start with the definition and what makes the Czinger 21C stand out. It's a hybrid hypercar powered by a combination of a 2.88-liter twin-turbo V8 engine and two electric motors driving the front wheels. This results in a jaw-dropping combined output of 1,250 horsepower, with an optional upgrade pushing it to 1,350 horsepower. The powertrain is mated to a 7-speed sequential gearbox, delivering lightning-fast shifts that keep the car glued to the road. But what really sets the 21C apart is that it's largely 3D printed, with many of its components manufactured using additive manufacturing technology, which allows for a level of precision and lightweight design that traditional methods can't match. The exterior of the Czinger 21C is nothing short of breathtaking. Every surface is sculpted for maximum aerodynamic efficiency. The sleek, teardrop-shaped body features aggressive lines, a low-slung stance, and a fighter jet-inspired central seating position, giving it an unmistakable silhouette on the road. Up front, you'll find a sharp nose with slim LED headlights and massive air intakes that channel airflow efficiently to cool the engine and brakes. The sculpted fenders and pronounced wheel arches give the car a muscular look, while the rear end is dominated by an enormous wing and a prominent diffuser designed to maximize downforce at high speeds. The car's active aerodynamics system continuously adjusts elements like the rear wing to optimize performance, whether you're slicing through corners on the track or pushing the limits on a straightaway. Lightweight carbon fiber construction helps keep the curb weight impressively low at around 1,240 kilograms, delivering an incredible power-to-weight ratio that's key to the car's blistering performance. Speaking of performance, the Czinger 21C is in a league of its own. This car accelerates from 0 to 62 miles per hour in just 1.9 seconds, putting it among the fastest production cars in the world. It has a top speed of 253 miles per hour, making it not only brutally fast in a straight line but also a force to be reckoned with on the track. Thanks to its hybrid all-wheel drive system, it delivers massive grip and precise handling, with torque vectoring ensuring that every ounce of power is put to the pavement effectively. The car's adaptive suspension and carbon ceramic brakes give the driver total confidence, whether under hard braking or charging through corners. On the track, the Czinger 21C has already set lap records, including an unofficial record at Laguna Seca, showing that it's not just a showpiece, it's a true performance weapon. Inside the Czinger 21C, the experience is just as unique as the exterior. The cabin is laid out in a tandem seating arrangement, with the driver sitting centrally and the passenger positioned directly behind, much like a fighter jet. This setup not only improves weight distribution but also enhances driver engagement, offering unmatched visibility and a cockpit-like feel. The interior is a combination of minimalist design and high-tech materials, with exposed carbon fiber, Alcantara, and premium leather throughout. The digital instrument cluster provides all the essential performance data, while a central touchscreen handles navigation, media, and vehicle settings. Despite its focus on performance, the Czinger 21C doesn't skimp on creature comforts, offering climate control, a premium sound system, and even wireless connectivity to ensure that drivers stay comfortable on the road or track. When it comes to price, the Czinger 21C is firmly positioned in the